Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to create some winter themed bingo cards using software called Bingo Card Printer, which you can download from bingocardprinter.com. Okay, this is the initial screen of the program. You click Create New Bingo Card Project, and now you're given a choice of what kind of bingo cards you'd like to create. You can start from a blank card and put in your own words, choose one with alphabet, letters, numbers, all of which can be customized after you've chosen them. So it's like a template. You can choose school subjects like English, geography, history, choose events like baby showers, birthdays, bridal showers, holidays like 4th of July, Canada Day, Chinese New Year, Christmas and so on. But if I scroll across here, I can go to the time column and then go to seasons and look for winter. And what I do is I click on that item and then click OK or double click on it. And that creates my initial winter bingo card here, which has got a list of words relating to the winter season. Now I can use that list as it is, or I can add my own items. So for example, if I add freeze, that would be a good one to add on the bottom, or I can delete items that I don't want. So for example, if I wish to delete earmuffs, I can simply select it and click delete. And so I can customize the list of items as I want. You might have noticed that the items are in alphabetical order apart from the last one. That's because the items appear in the list that you sort them in, list that you enter them in, or the list of the template. Most of the templates are alphabetical order, not all of them. But if I click sort, it will resort them into alphabetical order if you want them in order. It doesn't really matter. It's just for your ease, convenience. The sample bingo card shows the words in the same order as in this window, but in the real bingo cards they'll be shuffled about into a random order, as you will see. Okay, I can also change the size of the bingo card. I can make a 3x3 bingo card, 4x4 bingo card, 5x5, and I can go larger and make a 6x6, although I haven't actually entered enough items to fill out a 6x6, so we'll stick to 5x5 for now. I can choose whether or not to put this word bingo on the top, the heading, and I can choose a different word if I want, but I'll leave it as bingo, and I can choose whether or not to have a free space there or not. And I can also use colors and fonts to customize the appearance. So in this example, let's use some colors. We will make a checkerboard pattern with blue and white, light blue and white, nice sort of wintry colors. Text we'll keep in black. Free space square we could perhaps use a slightly different color. Maybe we'll make it a darker blue with white text on it. Maybe we'll make it even like that. The heading, I can also change the colors of that. So maybe we'll have this blue here for the text, and we'll choose a nice grey here. That's not perhaps dark enough. Maybe we'll choose a darker blue. That will be quite a lot of contrast. Lines, we can change the colors of that too. So you can really customize the colors that you want. If I click OK, it will show me a preview. I could customize it further. I can also customize fonts. Yeah, my fonts dialog will take a moment to load because I have so many different fonts on this computer. But there we are, and I can change the heading fonts. I can change the individual cells, and I can change the free space fonts. So I find a font that I might like the look of. Perhaps I will choose something that's quite distinctive so that you can see the change has taken place. Maybe we'll choose a script font. I know it's not really appropriate for this example, but it shows you that you can choose any font you want. Okay, I'm now ready to print. Now there are some options that relate to printing over here. I can choose whether I want to print a call list, which is basically a list of these items in a random order for use by the bingo caller. It's very useful for using bingo cards in a school lesson or something like that, to have a reference that you can just look at, which shows you what items are going to come up. You don't have to use it. You can simply turn it off by unchecking it, or you can turn it on. I'll leave it on so you can see how it's used. If you don't use it, you can of course select items randomly yourself, either by making your own random selections, or there's a feature in the program which I'll show you at the end of the video for selecting items at random while you're playing the game, if you're acting as a bingo caller. So we'll show that at the end. I can choose how many bingo cards I want to print on each page. If I put more per page, I can potentially save paper if I'm printing a lot of bingo cards. The downside, however, is bingo cards will be smaller, and if I'm giving one bingo card to each player, I'd actually have to cut the paper up. So we'll stick to one card per page. And how many different bingo cards do I need? Obviously, if you're giving one per player, you'd want to put at least as many as you've got players. Now the nice thing here is I can put in a very large number if I need to. I can put in 1, I can put in 10, I can put in 100, I can put in 1,000, I can go up to 9,999, and every bingo card will contain a different arrangement, different selection of the items from this window. So it's a very easy way to produce lots of customized bingo cards, a whole set in literally seconds. So let's put in 100 for example, and I'm now ready to print, but I will do print preview so you can see on screen what I'm likely to get. Okay, the first page here is the call list. That's the list of words in random order here, you can see. If I zoom out so you can see the whole page, I'll then move to the next page which will show you the first bingo card here. And the words are arranged randomly with a free space in the middle and nice fonts and so forth. If I click the next page, I'll get a different random selection of words, and the next page and so on, until I've got my, in this case, 100 different bingo cards. So it really is that easy to produce lots and lots of different bingo cards. Just one last thing, I'll show you how you can also, as an alternative to the call list, use this option on the play menu called call game, where it will select items for you. Simply click that option, it will choose one of the items at random, shovel, show you it there, and it will show you the previously selected items on the left hand side. So when I click next, it chooses another item at random, freeze, and shovel scrolls down. I click next and I get snow, and I click next and I get snowshoes, and so on. So I always have a list of the items that have previously been pulled out of the hat for the game as a bingo caller, and if I wanted to check somebody a bingo card when they play bingo, it's all there for me to see. That's basically it. If you go to bingocardprinter.com, you can download a free trial version of the software, try it out, see how you like it, and if you like it, register for the full version. Full version allows you to do everything that you've seen in this video and a lot more besides. So go to bingocardprinter.com, download the free trial. I think you'll like the program. Thank you very much.